Basque, Pelota, income tax disruption 319. As you know, Bilbao Athletic is one of these teams that we are very proud of, but one of the reasons why we are so good compared to Mbappe or Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi is that here we pay 50% of tax for the Bilbao Athletic players and the football players, because if you follow a ball in Basque, you get 50% discount. But if you are a pelotari that you work professionally in any other sport like surfing professionals, like karate, taekwondo, like rugby, like any handball, pelota, basketball, okay, any other sports professionally, then you don't get 50%. So that's why Rafa Nadal is now going to República Dominicana, having a nice retirement, because he will get this kind of a tax. Yes, but this video is about these business persons that we employ, let's say 5,000, 6,000, 25,000 per year. We don't get that discount of 50% income tax. Now it seems that we need to throw some balls to the surfers so they have this 50% reduction. We have to throw some balls to the business persons, but not that ball that they have in football, because politicians have decided this is the way with the football Basque players. Ball is a smaller ball for the rest of everybody, all the business persons. Perhaps we could really draw all the business persons of this planet towards here, Basque, because quality of life is nice, although it's 50% nicer if you follow a ball, even if you are sitting and you never play. But if you follow a ball or watch someone following a ball, 22 people, each team, that's 44 people watching the ball, then you get 50% income tax deduction. And that's really nice. So the youngsters really find out that they have a dedication to be footballers, because statistically it's 1 out of 100,000, but business persons perhaps provide 6,000, 25,000 jobs per year. Yes, perhaps. And you will never know, because you are going to have this 50% for those that follow the ball, but not those that serve karate, rugby, handball, pelota basca, yes, business people, and why not the rest of the employees of this guy? Because if that was the case, perhaps we would really play the ball much better with the left hand. Thank you. Bye.